Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Open Broadcaster Studio to capture your screen, as well as using your mobile and your internal camera in your computer, and as well the external mic, so you can have the best quality of screen capturing, and you can use this for different educational videos as well. So first of all, we are going to see the how we are going to do that. Uh, in the screen, in the Open Broadcaster Studio, we have down there we have what we call it different scenes. In each scene, we identify different inputs or sources for data, and how this will be presented. So right now in our scene, in the current scene, we have what we call it the title. In this title, we put a setup of Open Broadcaster Studio on Linux. We also add a video capture. We add this here, and we add in video capture device, and we select we can add one, or we can add, this is the internal one, and of course we can use this integration to integrate or select the device as the integrated camera, and resolution, and the frame rate. So this is the video capture, and the audio. Right now is the audio. We are adding the audio as well. We for the adding audio, we add here audio capture, pulse audio, and we from there we can add the identify the driver, the device that we are going to use. I'm here using the internal one, the built-in one with the echo cancellation. And after that, we can add for a better quality of audio. You can go and modify the properties here, of course, or you can add more filters. So I'm here adding gain for getting a higher volume, and the noise gate as well. Let me the noise gate, this is the default values. So this noise gate, it's amazing. I mean, if you can, it cancels all the noise. And the noise suppression as well. The default is here, but I make it as 0, so no noise. Of course, let me fix the problem with the video here. So it should be capturing. I'm having a problem. Okay, let me fix that first. So integrated camera, it's not really working, but anyway, no problem. So, and then of course we add the screen capture as well. So right away the screen capture. Okay, so this is the first scene. So what's the different scenes? So what we can do is right now is to add another scene. So I will add another scene, and then I put a screen capture as well right away. So here is the screen. I will add a scene with mobile camera. Okay. So now when I'm doing this, you will be able to see that I'm using the same configuration that I did before. So you will see the same inputs and the same gain and so on. Now I added the screen and the audio. I will add the title. Here I will add the text, and of course you can add the existing one, which is the title. Okay, so this is the title, and I will add also the screen capture for the mobile now. So I will add a video capture device, which is mobile. Okay. So now you can see it's taking a big portion of it. The Droid Cam, I will use the Droid Cam, yes. Will use the 60 frame, and I will not use the buffering. Okay. So now we can modify and see how we can change this. So I will resize that, and I will move it to the top this time. So right now we can see the difference between the top and bottom. And I will put this up so the title is shown. I will add what I will call it screen, and let's say subtitle. Okay, and in this I will add here Ahmad Ibrahim at, and this is for the Twitter. Okay, and I will move this 1, 2 down here, and you can even start modifying the size here. So now this is the scene 2 that we are I'm working on. If I selected scene 1, you will see that this is moved to scene 1. Now the screen is down there. I'm still having a problem with this. Okay, so I will use this one. So this one is for down there, and when I move to this one, I move it to the up there. So now the last step is to change the settings, or to make it to assign keys for doing this. So I will go to settings, and the hotkeys. You will find that there is I assigned the hotkeys for stop and start recording, and for the scene, the main scene or the mobile scene. For the main scene, which is the internal camera, it should be 1, which is the down one, and for the mobile camera I will add here 2. Apply. Okay, so now if I move to 1, that means I'm in the camera is down, and up the camera is up. Okay, so now this is how we are using our switching between the scenes. And of course, if we go there, you will not see the subtitle here. It's disappeared, while it appeared in the second scene. So this is how you configure Broadcast Studio, Open Broadcast Studio. The last thing is about what are the tools that I'm using for this setup. Okay, so mainly for doing this, I'm using to hold the mobile. I'm using a holder for the mobile, and I'm using also an entry point or the external mic that I'm using here. So let me share these two parts with you. For this is for the holder. Uh, it's like this one, and this is for the um, this is for the mic, and using this with the, it gives you the ability to use external mic with the mobile or with the as I'm doing right now with the mic computer. So if I can have the chance to show it to you. So let me this is the holder, and this is the external mic that I'm using right now. So this is in a nutshell how you can set up your open broadcaster, and thank you.